Hello everyone, I'm Scott Edwards with Cumulus Networks and I'm here with JM from DCSpine. JM, it's good to talk with you.
Hi Scott, welcome here at our office.
Yeah, so this is the office of DCSpines and you guys are right here in Utrecht, the Netherlands. Tell us about what you guys do.
DCSpine is a software-defined network between data centers in the Netherlands. We provide that via an online portal towards our customers, which are primarily cloud service providers and data centers in the Netherlands.
And how long have you guys been around? You haven't been around too long.
That's right. So we're innovation by Eurofiber, and we started like 1 year ago. And we're live from the beginning of 2018, and we have now our first customers live. So it's an exciting period.
So you guys have ramped up quickly. So tell us a little bit more about this data center interconnect. Why is that important to your customers? Why do they want to connect those data centers?
Yeah, so the traditional connectivity between data centers is focused around dark fiber and DWDM solutions, which is a very good solution for a high capacity network between 2 points. But what we see right now is that the new companies that are working with cloud are looking for more flexibility. So our network provides a solution that someone can order online, get provided it directly at that moment, but he is also able to change that any minute he wants. So that's far more flexible and it's high capacity up to 100 gig. So it's a kind of future-proof data center network.
So in a lot of ways you guys are doing something different and unique, and you've created this online service portal for anyone to come in and check out the connectivity there and to manage their resources and to see the performance of how everything is running. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. So customers, they can do it themselves. They can just go to our portal and register and order a product. And that's an innovative solution that we have. We don't see that customer before that time unless he wants personal contact, because that's always something that we can offer,
yeah.
But it's not required.
Okay, so that's great. You guys are very agile, very flexible, creating that flexible offering. So tell us a little bit about the networking component and maybe why you were looking at Cumulus and some kind of a different solution in the first place.
Yeah, that's nice to tell something about that, because that's very important to our company. Because we're at front end of the developments on software-defined networking. So what we did is at the start we tried multiple switches, OSNs, and also the software that's running on those equipment. And we figured out that we needed an open solution that we can develop on. So the open networking vision of Cumulus is really important in that. We can develop faster due to that, but also develop new solutions that are not provided on other switches.
So Cumulus was what you felt gave you that best option. You've now had that deployed for a good little while now. What have you seen so far? Has that met your expectations?
It has met our expectations. And it's something that we should have a close collaboration on the developments, because what you see is that we get new demands from customers. They see that there are new possibilities due to the network that we provide to them, and we need to develop new features in our portal. And at that moment, it's already provided by Cumulus that we can do that, or it's something that also needs to be developed with Cumulus. So it's something that you need to collaborate in. Yeah, so DCSpine is a network company, but we're also a kind of software company. So I think that's something where we meet. Cumulus is also a software provider, and they understand what we are doing here. So now we provide a data center network between our locations. But the next step for us will be to integrate with more services on top of that. We're looking into partnerships with other companies in the cloud ecosystem that will bring new services to market that makes it easier for companies to connect to the cloud and to other data centers.
You guys are at 30 data centers that are connected. You've connected throughout the Netherlands. And did I hear you about you're expecting about 5 or 10 more each year? You expect to expand that as well, in addition to offering those new services.
Yeah, so where we're looking at, so currently the focus is on delivering on our current footprint. For this year we have plans to connect some more 6 to 8 sites, which are also on this map. You see on the top there, we're looking to expand. We are expanding here and we're expanding there. We're also looking at a business case in Belgium to connect data centers there. Once we do that, that will maybe give us a start to think outside the current regions. But that's a challenge for next year.
Yeah. Well, this is great. You've got your plan, your map of where you're going to go, take over the world. It's exciting to see you guys grow. We're excited to be partners with you. Appreciate your time talking to me, Jack.
Thank you, Scott. It was a good thing to have you.